What's up, y'all? It's your boy CeeLo back with another Smoking Metal Car Fun video. We was hoping that, we wouldn't be out here like this, but evidently we out here like this. My son, as y'all can see, the hood is popped, and y'all see all that blood down there. Yeah, your boy is leaking from the transmission cooler. Yeah, transmission oil cooler. So yeah, I had to go grab another one. Hopefully we won't have this problem, cause it's bad. It's bad. So we gotta change that out, and I actually gotta change out the oil. Not the oil, the power steering pump thing too as well. So yeah, we out here in the snow with it. Son trying to disconnect them transmission lines, them lines. Yeah. Brother out here in the cold with us. And y'all see my man Grinchy, he out here with us too. Y'all see what he's saying. Fuck this weather. Yeah, I'm with him. So, yeah. We had a moment with her. And one of her feet, had changed one of her feet out for the moment. Broke 3 lug nuts. I don't know how. But we broke 3 of them. So, in the process of taking care of that too. That's one, he say. But how the weather is up there where y'all at? Or everywhere? Y'all getting the snow? Y'all under a winter storm advisory like we are? Luckily, he's off today. You know what I mean? And my son, he off whenever he chooses he want to work, he can work. So, in the meantime, I'm just chilling. He helping me out. You got the other boat loose already.
Yeah, it's loosened, but it's not off.
He never changed this before. So this is another thing that he's learning. Something new. It ain't nothing hard, but something new that he's learning.
Depends on how you look at it.
As he say, depends on how you look at it. So, I don't know, y'all. We gotta get this changed out. We're gonna get that bottom one changed. Not all today. We're gonna do the bottom one.
Probably Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah, one of these days this week. I gotta go grab that one. So, yeah, we can't have these type problems in the wintertime, y'all. We don't want to be stuck on the side of the road. Not at all. It's too cold. Christmas getting ready to come around. Can't keep spending money. Even though we don't mind. We like it. Truck. Buying parts. Things like that. Yeah, she definitely needed to be switched out. I'm wondering where it's leaking from. It's leaking from the line. I don't know. But that's where it was coming from. So we changing that out. Then the power steering. Work in progress. Still. Maintenance. Just a little maintenance. I'm going to raise it up. That's why it's a little tight on you.
No, it's not that. It's the fact that it's again.
Okay. I apologize. I felt like I was in the way. So, yep. And you got to get back to working on this, too. Because we had a little setback. She getting ready to go to the shop.
Little is understatement.
Yeah, he said understatement. But the Escalade, she on her way to the shop. Hopefully she coming in with the new year. My man say he got it, he'll get it right. So we going to take it to him and let him get it right. And then my brother, hey, y'all want to say congratulations to him on his new job that he's been at for a minute. Hit them with that full-time joint.
And a promotion on top
And a promotion. Yeah. We get some more discounts. Can we get a discount? They don't want to give us a discount, man. They be acting funny at the job. Yeah. What's wrong? You still caught up? Yeah. You disconnected. Yeah.
I wonder, is this a slider or is it an actual hole? I think it's.
No, you still in the nut. You gotta take it all out. You thought you was out?
No, it's the point of it. It's against the frame, so it's hard to get out.
Oh.
I can't tell from it. I mean, the purchase.
How long was that one? Where they at? Underneath here, you put them in the pocket. They shouldn't be super long.
They're not.
Yeah. Yeah, you should be able to get it out. You can push it back a little bit. Should be able to move.
That ain't
It's a hole. It's like that. He getting aggravated, y'all.
Should be loose already.
He right there in that little tight cubby hole. I was gonna say, only other way is to loosen this up right here. Where you going? You just gotta loosen this bolt up right here to move it back so you can get it out. Y'all know what bolt I'm talking about. The bolt right here for the top of the radiator. So, where's my ratchet? Where's my ratchet and stuff? Oh, see, here we go, y'all. I gotta get back. Give me a minute. Oh, you don't want to do that? You press on, you might break that. All you gotta do is loosen that right there.
Right there.
Alright, we out here, y'all. We got about 5 inches of snow. Y'all can see. Yeah. We out here with the Grinch. Out here with the Grinchy. Yep. Uh-oh. Yes, indeed. Quick walk around out here. It's what you call a beautiful day. In the snow with the wood on the back windows. Y'all see it? It's all good. We coming together. We coming together. Catch y'all. And I ain't gonna lie, she look good out here in the snow.